Welcome to Mystical Minds. I am your host, Jamie Gerard, and today I will be reading poetry and prose from Danny Martin Gerard. He's the author of the Poetic Cues trilogy. You can find his work at DannyGS.fortoday.com or Mystical Minds YouTube channel and podcast, co-owned with myself, Jamie Gerard. Everlasting growth. Working collectively for a peaceful nation is knowing everyone has their share to correlate and create meaningful change. It's knowing we're in this together, in a journey for peace and joy. As we work in unity, not separation, we find the strength within, through our source and power. With faith and persistence, the divine unfolds the miraculous journey. Let the path unfold as our intuition follows for a greater humanity and everlasting growth. Thank you so much, Danny G. That was powerful. And now, I'd like to take a moment with you for gratitude. So if you're able, please close your eyes and think of 3 things you're grateful for from yesterday, right now. I am grateful for a beautiful dinner my wife made. I'm grateful for the time I got to spend with her. And I'm grateful for a phone call I received. What are you grateful for? Now, take a deep breath in and let it out. With love, thank you so much for listening and have a beautiful day.